Welcome back to WCDC Art. To make these cute rainbow clouds, you'll need tacky glue, scissors, popsicle sticks, white cardstock, and tape. You'll also need acrylic paint in a variety of colors, paintbrushes, a paint palette, and a pencil. For our first step, we are going to be painting our 6 popsicle sticks. So you can choose any colors you want. You can do them in any order. I'm going to do red, orange, and yellow, and then I'm going to mix those colors together to get 3 more colors. I'm also going to be using some white paint just to get a few different values of each color. So you can really have fun with the colors you choose here. Mine's kind of leaning towards a sunset or a sunrise, just with the colors I selected. But this would look really good with like pinks and also blues and greens and purples, yellows. While the paint dries on our popsicle sticks, we can draw out our cloud on our white cardstock. So I'm just going to do a really loose, bubbly cloud shape. For our third step, we are going to arrange our popsicle sticks in the order that we want them to be in the end. So I'm going to flip mine over, and then when I have them in the color order I want, I'm going to get some masking tape and run it across the back to help them stick together. And I'm going to be sure that the ends of my popsicle sticks are at different lengths, just for some variation. So when you're happy with how your popsicle sticks are laid out, you can grab some masking tape and just run it across the back. I'm going to do it in 2 spots. And if your tape runs over, we can always just cut that off with scissors. And now our final step is to add on our cloud. So I'm going to use some tacky glue and just put some on the top of my popsicle sticks. And I'm just going to use my finger to kind of thin it out a little bit. And then I'm going to place my cloud right on top. And then we just have a super cute little rainbow cloud. Thanks for watching WCDC Art.